All right, Saturday, day number 4. Looking pretty good out on the water, heading over to the Blue House. There must be a bread baking class today, so it looks like they're firing up the oven and getting it going. Woo. This is where the pizza class will be tonight. Looks like there's actually a class in here.
And cook fresh harvested fish and do lost wax casting and mend your own things. Places and gathering spots and talk shows like this are unusual, and we're glad that you found us. Because if there aren't students showing up, then there isn't much of a school. So thanks for being here. Couple things I want you to know. Campus is a busy place this weekend, so I hope that you get a chance to visit not only your class but other classes. I think we'll have the people who are starting this morning introduce themselves who know, but also happening that started in the last few days would be lost wax casting, which is over here in the north end of the Blue. They are making rings. You don't know what it is. It's really cool. Timber framing started about
All right, sorry about that. Didn't totally interrupt the class, but another class is getting going. Orientation. The boat is about to go out. You can ride the sailing boat. Here's the timbers that Tom picked up yesterday. The boat looks so good. Look at these bad boys. These are all 6x8s. Nice looking 6x8s. These are, I don't know when we're going to do girts. We might even get there today. Maybe wait till tomorrow. We've got plenty of tenons to do. All right, head back in. Probably be tardy. They've already started. Oh. All right, let's go. Day 4. Hey, it is lunch break. Doing lunch on the dock again. Right over there. Yep, right there. That's the town of Grand Marais, so we're close. This is Grand Marais, the harbor. And Artist Point is right out there, and follow right over there. You've seen a couple pictures of that. That's the Grand Marais Lighthouse. A lot of people enjoying lunch. Picnic table on the end of the dock. Ben's doing a little video in there on his own, and in the red building, that guy right there, the red building, you probably figured that out by now. But just a quick little lunch break here, and then I'm not even sure what we're going to be doing this afternoon. I just finished the tenons on the posts. All the posts are done except for a little perch for the girts to sit into. So I think that's actually what we're going to be working on tonight. Not tonight, this afternoon before we have pizza. Yay! So we'll see you in a little bit.
I have one of these. I don't even know what it is. Yeah.
In the basics,
Yeah.
you guys do all sit things like that.
Camera's running. Cheers. Woo! Day 4 is in the books.
Mm-hmm.
The shop is closed. Power tools are off
For bye.
for the day. So we're enjoying a Montana beer.
A good Montana beer. My last two cold smoke, we were going to save one for Tom, wherever Tom went, but he doesn't like Montana beer. Shh. So, he likes Iowa beer.
It's true.
Which
Don't tell my wife.
Which isn't a bad thing either. So, but we're enjoying our last cold smokes that we imported from Montana last year. So, great day number 4 here in the workshop. Ridge beam, that one right over there.
That's done. So
Done.
we are sitting on our wall plates and a ridge beam. They are cut and done. Trimmed to length. Mortises are done.
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 These are done.
King posts are
Dunnage.
almost done. Dunnage?
Dunnage.
No, there's little dunnage underneath there. King posts are almost done, and a whole bunch of our next phase of stuff is back there. So,
Knee joints, joists, and rafters.
and I think the coolest word of them all, besides bent, is girt.
Dirt.
Girt.
Dirt.
A
I don't
girt?
think we've seen our girts yet. Those aren't girts.
Are you supposed to see your girts? It was a bad accident and my girt fell out.
You'd know about that.
Well, someday you'll be old. Anyways, it's Saturday night here at North House Folk School. So over there, we're going to be heading over there. Oh, they're ringing the bell right now. Or the triangle.
Oh, shit.
Oh, beep. It's pizza night, so they're doing community pizza in
The blue building.
the blue building at the wood-fired pizza oven. Make your own. Everybody brings stuff. So our out footage tonight is going to be pizza stuff.
Yeah.
Yay!
They just rang
There we
the
go.
bell over there.
See ya on day
5.
5.
All the.
No, 4 fingers are on the top.
Are you gonna film yourself eating it?